Normally you don't see outside of the car. It's normally videos of me inside of the car, but here's my review on the Strutmaster shocks that I installed. I ditched my bags and went with the new Strutmaster shocks. I hadn't seen very many reviews on it, so I thought I'd give my aspect on it. At first I was afraid of it looking like a four-wheel drive, but it actually, the ride height on it is pretty good. And for what I use my car for most of the time, it actually stays pretty planted. It actually hooks better with these shocks than it did with my bags, so I'm pretty impressed with that. The rears were definitely a pain in the ass to do, but the fronts were straightforward. It took probably 4 hours on the rear, and the fronts took about 2. But other than that, I enjoy it definitely. Main reason why it got too low and cracked my fender with my front bag sagging. So the entire kit with the light was $1,100, so not bad given the price of bags per corner. So all in all, I enjoy it.